Hello friends, how are you? In our previous classes, we completed the lesson number 13, that is waste and its management. Okay, now I'm starting lesson number 14, that is economic importance of plants. Economical or economic importance of plant and animals. Okay, this lesson is 5 number 1 plus 4. That means one question is normally one question is one number and one question of four number. Okay, one thing let me clear you, this is pure theoretical portion. Only two things, but one is the sericulture and one is apiculture. That is something conceptual. That means we have to understand that others all of that chapter is totally, it is totally we can say that we have to memorize it. Okay, now 14th, first term that is comes, that is economic botany. This is important question which can ask. As you know that plants are very important for us. Lots of things which is required in our life, that is food, clothes, houses, etc., we obtain from the plants. Okay, and you also know that in the biosphere, in the biosphere all the living and non-livings, sorry, all the livings are directly or indirectly depends on the plants, depends on the plants. Got it? So we can say that plants play very important role in our survival. In economic purpose they are also very important, and the study of the economically important plants, the study of the economically important plants and their products is called economic botany, is called economic botany. Or we can say that the branch of science, the branch of science which deal with the study of the economic important plants is called economic botany. It is called economic botany. As I already told you, from this class I will also use Hindi, little bit Hindi, because there are some students saying that use mixed language. Okay, so simple language में बोले, then we can say that economically important plants और उनके products की study करना, that is known as economic botany. Got it? Clear? Economically, plants are divided into three categories. Plants are divided into three categories. First is food plant, that means those plants which give us food. Second, medicinal plant, that which gives us medicines. Third, timber and fiber yielding plants, that means those which give us timber and fibers. Okay, now let me start with the first one, that is edible, or we can say that food plant. As the name indicating, these are those plants which give us food. Here various categories are included in this, like the cereals, second one is pulses, third one is oil, fourth one is beverage, fourth one is beverage, and after that vegetables, then fruits. Okay, all of these comes in the category of edible plants. So let me start to read about that. First, the edible plant, the first category is cereals. In normal language we can say that anaj. Okay, these are the member of grass family. This line is important. These are member of grass family which is called gramineae, that is gramineae, or poaceae, that is gramineae or poaceae, poaceae, that is gramineae or poaceae. Got it? These are sources of starch. These are sources of starch, which are our respiratory substance. That means the starch used in our body during the respiration and produce energy. Got it? Now we will let us start one by one the plants which comes in the category of cereals. Here one thing let me clear you, there is no need of theory. There is only one thing which generally ask in exam, that is biological name of plant or animal. Here the plant, so that is botanical name of plant. First thing, in some of the plant it can ask that is it is rabi crop or kharif crop. And third, if there is varieties, then it may ask about the name of varieties. Got it? सीधी सी बात है, यहाँ पर उसका नाम, बॉटनिकल नेम, सीजनल क्रॉप दैट मीन्स रबी और खरीफ क्रॉप, और उसकी वेराइटीज या उसकी कोई इंपॉर्टेंट लाइंस के बारे में पूछा जाता है. Got it? Now, first one is wheat. That is गेहूं. Okay, its biological name is Triticum aestivum. One thing let me clear you, whenever you write the name of plant or animal, you know, in the class 9th we studied about the binomial system. According to which the name of plant is made up by two parts. Got it? Okay, and these parts underline, and the first letter of that is genus, that is and will be capital. Okay, I think you know about these rules. Okay, so here after writing the name we have to underline them. Okay, first one is wheat, that is Triticum aestivum. It is Triticum aestivum. Okay, season wise it is rabi crop. One thing that comes in our mind, that which is rabi crop, which is kharif crop. The crop which shown in the starting of the winter and harvest and the ending of the winter, that means during the winter season, that is rabi. Got it? While those crop which shown at the time of the summer, ending of the summer, or that and harvest in the starting of the winter season, that means ending of the summer monsoon season, that is kharif crop. सिंपल सी बात, सर्दी रबी, गर्मी खरीफ. Got it? Now it is rabi crop. Its varieties are Sonalika, Kalyan Sona, Sonara, Sarbati, etc. That is very important. This question one time asked in exam. Write the name of improved varieties of wheat. Okay, again I am repeating: wheat, Triticum aestivum, rabi crop, Sonalika, Kalyan Sona, Sonara, that is Sonra. Okay, Sarbati, Sonra, Sonara, Sarbati, these are its improved varieties. Got it? Second is rice. Its botanical name is Oryza sativa. Oryza sativa. Got it? It is kharif crop. Okay, its improved varieties are Basmati, Swarn Dana, Jaya, Ratna, Sona. These are its improved varieties. One thing which can ask, that India is at the top in the world in rice production. We are at the top in rice production. Got it? Now, third one is maize. That is Makka. Okay, biological name is Gia maize. That is Gia maize, not maize. That is maize. Okay, it is also kharif crop. Vijay Shakti, Ratn, etc. are its improved varieties. Got it? Next one is pearl millet. Pearl millet, which is bajra. It is bajra. Okay? Its biological name is Panicetum typhoidis. Panicetum. Panicetum typhoidis. Typhoidis. Okay? It is also kharif crop, and you know that it is the main crop of Rajasthan. Okay? Got it or not? Now, second group of second group of food grains, that is pulses. These are members of Leguminosae, that is Leguminosae, or sometime Minosae. Both are correct. Leguminosae or Leguminosae. Okay, these are sources of protein. These are sources of protein. Pulses, that means dal. Okay, now first one is gram. First one is gram, that is chana. In local language we know that chana. Its biological name is Cicer aritinum. Cicer aritinum. Got it? Clear? It is also rabi crop. This line is very important. It is called king of pulses. It is called king of pulses. Got it? India is at the top in the world in its production. Okay. Next one is red gram. Next one is red gram. In local language we call it arhar. Arhar ki dal. Local language in which we called it arhar. Okay. Clear? लाल रंग की होती है ना वो अरहर. The biological name is Cajanus kazan. Cajanus kazan. Sometimes it is also called Kazan. Cajanus kazan. Kazan. Okay. Next one is P. That is mutton. Pisum sativum. Name is Pisum sativum. Sativum. Got it? Pisum sativum. Okay. Now, next is groundnut. You know that groundnut, that is mungfali. Okay. Biological name is Arachis hypogea. Arachis. That is Arachis. Arachis hypogea. Arachis hypogea. Got it? India is first in its production in the world. Got it? Okay. Now, next one is soybean. It is important. Biological name is glycine max. Glycine max. It consists highest protein. It consists highest protein in the plants. Got it? Next one is oil yielding plant. It is totally not usable. No question can ask from here, but let me read it. Only one thing that can ask, that is, what is oil? Oils are complex organic compounds which are made up by hydrocarbon, ester, alcohol and aldehydes. Made up by oils are complex organic compounds which are made up by hydrocarbons, ester, alcohol, aldehyde, etc. These are the main components of oils. Okay. Oils are grouped into three categories: edible oil, खाने योग्य, which we can eat; non-edible, which we do not eat; third, that is perfumed, these which is used in making of the perfumes, in making the oil, making the soaps, etc. Okay. Edible, eatable oils of the groundnut, oil of the groundnut; sesame, which is normally we call till. Okay, coconut, nariyal, soybean, alsi, sunflower that is suryamukhi. these are these are the oils which we can use, which we can use in making food. Second is non-edible, oil of castor. Castor that means arandi. Okay, terpentine, normally we call tarpine. You know that tarpine, the oil which is mixed in paint. Okay, tarpine, that is non-edible. Third, perfumed, that is kapoor, chandan, that is sandal, clove, long, khas. These oils have smell, perfume, so they use in making soaps and other perfumed items. Okay, now spices. Again, it is also not so important, but only we have to read about that. Spices, that is black pepper, that is kali mirch, cumin, which is cumin, jeera, red chili, fennel, that is dhania, sorry, saunf, coriander, that is dhania, clove, that is long, ajwain, turmeric, that is haldi, asha foetida, that is hing, it is hing. Okay, ginger, adrak, cardamom, that is elaichi. I know that here the Hindi is very important because these names is sometimes is totally unknown for us. Okay, so no, so we have to read about the names only. Now, fourth group of food items, that is beverage, non-alcoholic drinks. First is tea and second is coffee. Tea name is Camellia sinensis, and coffee, that is Coffea arabica. Coffea arabica. Tea that are young leaves are called tea, while the roasted seeds are known as coffee. Okay, now vegetables. This is very important. These names are also very important. Okay, these are very important names. Got it? Now, let's start about the vegetables. These are main sources of vitamin, minerals, fiber, water, etc. Different plant parts are used as vegetables. Now, firstly discuss about the vegetables which obtained from root. That means root को जब हम vegetables के तौर पे use करते हैं तो वो. Here the names is very important. First is carrot, gajar. That is gajar. Biological name is Daucus carota. Daucus carota. Got it? Second is radish. That is muli. That is Raphanus sativus. Got it? Third is turnip. That is saljam. Okay, Brassica rapa. Name is Brassica rapa. Got it? Next is sweet potato. That means shakarkand. That is Impomia batatas, or we can say that Ipomia. Sometimes M is silent, so then we can say that Ipomia batatas, or sometime we also use impomia. Okay, normally that is Ipomia batatas. Next is obtained from stem, that means vegetables which obtain from stem. First is potato, you know that potato, aloo. Solanum tuberosum, tuberosum, Solanum tuberosum. Next is arbi, next is arbi, that is Colocasia esculenta, colo Colocasia esculenta. Got it? Colocasia esculenta. Next, that are obtained from leaf, पत्तियों से. Spinach, which is spinach? That is palak. That is spinacia. Spinacia, or sometimes we also say that spinacia. Oleracea. Oleracea. Spinacia oleracea. Second is fenugreek, that is methi. That is methi. That is Tigonella. Tigonella. Sometime R is silent, so that is Tigonella. Tigonella. Phoinum Graecum. Phoinum Graecum. Tigonella, Phoinum Graecum. And if we use R, some, because there are names, different areas of the world have different pronunciations, so someone can also speak that Trigonella, but as per our book that is Tigonella, not Trigo. Okay, next is Bathua, that is Chenopodium album. Chenopodium album. Got it? Chenopodium album. Out of these are very important. Okay, next is obtained from the from inflorescence. Inflorescence, that means flower, pushpkram. Okay, here cauliflower, you know that cauliflower, that is fulgobi, that is Brassica oleracea. Brassica oleracea, VAR, that is variety. Variety. Botrytis. Brassica oleracea. Brassica oleracea. Variety botrytis. Okay. Next is obtained from fruit. Sometimes the fruits are also used as vegetables. First is tomato. You know that tomato, that is tomato. That is Lycopersicon. Lycopersicon. Esculentum. Esculentum. Lycopersicon esculentum. Got it? Next is brinjal, that is Bengan. Solanum melongena. Solanum melongena. Got it? Now, next one is lady's finger, bhindi. Okay, Abelmoschus esculentus. Abelmoschus esculentus, it's the name of lady's finger, that is bhindi. Okay, next is cluster bean, that is guarfali. Have you ever eaten it? It is traditional food of Rajasthan. Guarfali, that is cluster bean. Its name is Cymopsis tetragonoloba. Cymopsis tetragonoloba. Got it? Now, after discussing about the vegetables, the next one is fruit. The first question which comes in our mind, that is, what is fruit? In the class 9th, you studied about the fertilization in the plants, that is ovary, and there is ovule, and that is stigma, style, ovary. You know that pollination, the pollen grains reaches here, and after that they make a tube which is called pollen tube, and which enters in ovary and then finally opens in ovule. Here the two male gametes are released which fuse with the egg cell and central nuclei, which is called fertilization process. After the fertilization, there are some changes in ovary and ovules. The egg cell after fertilization convert into zygote. Ovary make cover and convert into sheed. Sorry, ovule make cover and convert into sheed, and ovary covered by a layers covered by layers or walls and convert into a juicy structure which is called fruit. Got it? So we can say that after fertilization the ovary of a flower make wall around it and convert into a juicy structure called fruit. Convert into juicy structure which is called fruit. Got it? Here the names are, first one is mango. You know that mango? That is Mangifera indica. Got it? Second is banana. Got it? That is Musa paradisaica. Or if we want to memorize it in funny language, we can also say Musa paradisia. But that is wrong. Some students use this pronunciation, but is wrong. It is Musa paradisaica. Musa paradisaica. Got it? Next one is orange. That is Citrus reticulenta. Got it? Next is guava. That means amrud. Okay? It is Pseudium. P is silent here. So that is Pseudium guajava. Okay? Pseudium guajava. Okay? Next is papaya. Its name is Carica papaya. Not Carica papaya. That is Carica papaya. Got it? Next is custard apple. That is Sitafal. And its name is Annona squamosa. Got it? Okay. Now, for your convenience, I am showing the names, all of that we discussed in Hindi, because sometimes the pronunciation becomes an issue. Okay, so here I am starting the names from the Hindi book. First was gehu, that is Triticum aestivum. Second was chawal, Oryza sativa. Third was maize, makka, Gia maize. Fourth was bajra, Panicetum typhoidis. 1 minute. And after that, pulses, dal, chana, Caesar aratinum, arhar, Cajanus kazan, matar, Pisum sativum. That is Pisum sativum. Mungfali, Arachis hypogaea. Soybean, glycine max. And after that there was no uses of now tea, that is Camellia sinensis. Camellia sinensis, camellia. Coffee, Coffea arabica. Okay. Now vegetables, gajar, Daucus carota, right pronunciation is Muli, Raphanus sativus, Saljam, that means Brassica rapa, that is Brassica rapa. Turnip, okay. Shakargan, sweet potato, that is Ipomia batatas, that is potato, aloo, Solanum tuberosum, that is Arbi, Colocasia esculenta. Palak, that is spinach, that is Spinacia oleracea. Then methi, that is fenugreek, that is Tigonella. Word right is Trigonella. Phoinum Greecum, Bathua, Chinapodium album, Fulgobi, that is cauliflower, Brassica oleracea, that means varieties, Botitis, Tomato, Lycopersicon esculentum, Bengan, Solanum melongena, Bindi, Abelmoschus esculenta, lady's finger, Guarfali, that is cluster bean, okay. Cymopsis tetragonoloba, that is tetragonoloba. Now fruits, आम, Mangifera indica, केला, Musa paradisiaca, संतरा, that is citrus, that is orange, citrus, reticulata, okay. Amrud, that is guava, that is Pseudium gujava. Papita, Carica papaya, papita, that means papaya, okay. Sitafal, that is cluster apple, that is Annona squamosa. These are the names of the plants. In this we have to memorize the names. Nothing, no any other theory is important. We have to memorize the name. सीधा सा बोर्ड में क्वेश्चन आता है, राइट द नेम ऑफ प्लांट. So we have to prepare their names. Okay. About the medical plants we will discuss in next class. Thank you.